Welcome back to Law Call. I believe we have a caller on the line.
Yes.
Ingrid, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Go ahead, Ingrid.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Yes. My son was committed of a crime that he did not commit. It happened almost 5 years ago, and now he has to go to court in 2 weeks. We have a lawyer, but what she's trying to get is to get proof that he was home that night. We don't have proof he was home that night, but the proof we have is the person who was called was trying to steal something from a shed at 4 in the morning. The owners at the house who saw this person in their shed said that the person was wearing blue jeans, and my son never wears blue jeans. By the way, he has Asperger's. And they found a can of soda, which he doesn't drink soda. I'm wondering why they don't have fingerprints from that soda can. And this happened almost 5 years ago, and now it's coming up to court. And we, he was home that night. How can we obtain proof? And they won't even accept the SSI evaluation that we have done every 4 years because they require it, and we submitted it, and they won't accept it. So, I know we have an attorney, but I don't feel very comfortable that we're getting the best legal care in this case.
So first things first, whenever you start talking about what type of evidence you have, the main thing is obviously witness testimony. If anybody can testify as to his whereabouts, then that would obviously be evidence. I don't know if there's any way to pull any GPS pings off of a cell phone. If he had one at the time, that might be evidence. But what you talked about with that situation, there's a lot of supposition going on, a lot of circumstantial evidence, and typically that is not going to get you over the hump for a conviction. You have to prove that somebody was guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And when you start talking about things like, well, he doesn't drink soda, he doesn't wear jeans, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, it's late at night. All those things add up to reasonable doubt, which typically bodes well for an acquittal in that situation. But to answer your question in terms of the actual evidence, usually it's going to be testimony from witnesses.
Right.
So
maybe video in some cases.
Maybe,
right.
Here,
but we see that in a lot of situations.
So
good luck with that, Ingrid, and hopefully you'll have a successful resolution with that for your son.